Welcome to Spark Today News. Dance is the best form of art when it comes to expression. The 5th Purva Classical International Dance Forum was held at CC Mehta yesterday by the Purva School of Bharatanatyam, with several dancers presenting their classical forms from different countries. Have a look.
साके था किसी सकता हे हे साके था किसी सकता साके था किसी सकता हे हे साके था किसी सकता हे हे साके था किसी सकता
मैं पिछले 40 साल से बड़ौदा में भरतनाट्यम का प्रशिक्षण देने की संस्था में कार्यरत हूँ। 5th इंटरनेशनल पूर्वा क्लासिकल डांस फेस्टिवल का आयोजन हम कर रहे हैं, जिसमें से मलेशिया, कनाडा, जापान और ऑस्ट्रिया और मलेशिया से कलाकार आ रहे हैं और अपनी शास्त्रीय नृत्य की प्रस्तुति करेंगे। इसमें ओडिसी, मणिपुरी, भरतनाट्यम, कुचिपुड़ी और क्षत्रिय डांस की प्रस्तुति आज की जाएगी। और इसके पहले पूर्वा स्कूल ऑफ भरतनाट्यम के बैनर में 4 क्लासिकल डांस प्रोग्राम के इंटरनेशनल क्लासिकल डांस फेस्टिवल हो चुके हैं और ये हमारा 5वां एडिशन है। ये पूर्वा स्कूल ऑफ भरतनाट्यम पिछले 35 साल से भी ज़्यादा बड़ौदा में कार्यरत है और भारत सरकार के उपक्रम के मैंने भारत की कला की प्रस्तुति इंडोनेशिया, थाईलैंड, लाओस, मलेशिया, वियतनाम, कंबोडिया, पाकिस्तान, श्रीलंका ऐसे देशों में की हैं और भारत का प्रतिनिधित्व यहाँ।
Actually, I'm learning Odissi from Bhubaneswar itself, from Srujan School, and whereby Purva School they invited me since they are doing their 5th international festival here in Vadodara. So I'm really grateful to be invited here, especially to perform Odissi dance here.
Today I am going to perform Satriya dance. Satriya is a classical dance form of Assam, and today I am going to do a Krishna Vandana. In this Vandana, I will be presenting the birth of Lord Krishna and the killing of demon Kansh. And Baroda is a very beautiful city. Actually, I never come here before, and according to my मतलब शारद सर ने जो बोले थे कि यहाँ पे कभी सत्रिया नहीं हुआ, एंड मुझे इनवाइट किया कि यहाँ सत्रिया दिखाने के लिए। यहाँ आके बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, स्पेशली द एनवायरनमेंट और यहाँ का कल्चरल जो गरबा डांस, कलरफुल सिटी, एवरीथिंग इज़ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल सिटी. एवरीबडी शुड कम हियर एंड experience this city. Thank you.
I'm doing Odissi dance now more than 12 years old. 12 years. And I saw Odissi in Orissa first time. Then I was so moved and I decided to do this dance. Then my journey started. I've been teaching Odissi in Japan and Delhi because I live in Delhi now, and our dance group is Devadara.
I found Odissi dance from a teacher in Toronto, which eventually led me to my gurus there, as well as a teacher in Pushkar in India. And I love this art form, and it has been such an honor to come to the cultural capital of Gujarat and be with the Purva School of Bharatanatyam and Guru Sharad Pandya. And to be part of this glorious festival, which helps to educate the young ones on classical Indian dance and dance forms, and keep it alive and keep it growing, and keep the awareness of the beauty of these art forms continually expanding. So it is my great honor and a pleasure to be here. I'm having a great time.
I started Odissi dance originally in Toronto, just for a very short time, and then I found my guru in India, in Pushkar, India. It became a very big opening in my life. After many, many years of yoga practice, I found that the dance seemed to be the great complement to that my body and my soul and my mind were looking for. And from that point on, I've just continued on seeking teachings in all sorts of different places. I feel really, really lucky to be part of this particular festival, especially because it is about trying to preserve not even just preserve, but inspire the culture of the dance, especially for children, and to have them see people that are from a completely different culture having such a beautiful experience with the dance. I know this is a big inspiration, and so I'm really happy to be part of it.
Manipuri dance form is northeastern part of India. It's from Manipur. So in this dance form, the Lasya and the Tandav form is totally different. If you see in Tandav, you will see the expressions as soft expressions. Expressions is there, but the way of saying showing it's different. It's totally different from Lasya, and Lasya is totally soft. Expressions, body language, and everything is different. When you see a Tandav form, it's vigorous. It's not like the Bharatanatyam or other dance forms compare, but you can see whenever you will see the performance, you can see the differences between the Tandav form and the Lasya form. And in 17th century, Bhagya Chandra Maharaji, he dreamt about this dance form, the Ras Leela form, and then after that, Guru Bipin Singh, he brought this dance form from temple to stage. My Guru, Guru Kalavati Devi and Bimbavati Devi.
Right now I am doing my masters in Chhattisgarh, and during that time I got a chance to perform in 5th Purva Indian Classical International Dance Festival. So actually that will be held in Gujarat. So Gujarat is that's my first visit in Gujarat. So I'm thinking this is a good opportunity for me, because when I was in Sri Lanka, I didn't learn Bharatanatyam. Just I did only Sri Lankan traditional dance styles. Then I came to India and I started to study Bharatanatyam. So Purva team and Guruji and everyone along with me from Malaysia, Canada, Japan. So those artists also, they are going to perform. So I wish to all the very best to all of them, and along with Purva team.
For advertisement in Central Gujarat's #1 web portal, Spark Today news platform. For advertisement, call us on 987900808000 or 9825008000.